Hey guys, Todd Ault here, twisting your mind and exposing the thoughts that everyone thinks, but most do not have the cojones to talk about. Today's subject, problems. Hey, no one wants them. We all try to avoid them, but everyone's got them. Some have more than others, but you can bet your shorts problems are gonna rear their ugly head. But they also don't have to leave a skid mark on your plan. The idea that someone can go through life without having problems isn't only unrealistic, it's just plain stupid. Ain't gonna happen. I know we all dream about skating through our business life without some sort of pushback, but growth without pushback is impossible. Whenever your next problem gets your knickers in a twist, try to remember that every problem can be a gift. Remember that old saying that adversity is the mother of invention? Damn straight, damn straight, damn straight. A great entrepreneur takes a problem and twists it into an asset. Is this new information? No, but it's reassurance that some of you out there need it right here and right now. And take it from a guy who knows. If you've got problems, that means you're either fully engaged or not engaged enough. Either way, it's an opportunity. I've given you gold, now run with it.